If you want to become a project manager, in this video, I'm going to be touching upon some foundations of a project manager and project management lifecycle. Hello and welcome. My name is Sree Chandra. I'm an Agile expert and also a project and program manager. So let's talk about what is a project. Project by definition means that's got a definite start and an end. Could be any project, for example, a road construction project, could be a software project, or could be they're setting up a shop. There's going to be a definite start and a definite end, and they're going to have certain scope, certain goals, certain budget and time frame to get the project done. So who can become a project manager? Well, anybody can become a project manager, provided you have a great communication skills. You are very good at wearing multiple hats, be able to balance the needs, and also be able to kind of follow through, work with the people. People skill is very, very important. So those are some of the key aspects or skills required of a project manager. And I'm going to be talking about what is a PMLC, which is project management lifecycle. It has got 5 stages. First one is initiation, then planning, execution, monitoring, control, and closeout. In the initiation phase, we call it gate 0, where that's where there's going to be the objectives and the project details put out, the project charter is laid out, and then there's going to be funding happening at there. So it's about justification of a project need, whether it's a software project or any other project. So that once it goes past that, then there's going to be planning. So planning is very, very critical aspect of any project, be it software or otherwise. And then where people are going to come together and kind of use their thinking hats, brainstorm, and come up with a plan. That plan could be in the form of can be put out, can be added to a tool such as Jira or DevOps tool, Azure DevOps, or any other tool, or a Microsoft project, or even Excel for that matter. So planning is essential. In the context of Agile and Scale Agile, you have the planning meetings, you have peer planning meetings, and so on and so forth. Then comes execution. Execution is where teams go about actually getting the work done. In a software context, they're going to be building out the features and user stories and so on and so forth. In the context of a project, they're going to be getting those the milestones and the deliverables that they're committing to. Then comes monitoring and control. We're going to be closely tracking the progress in terms of how well it's shaping up. That's what a project manager is going to be balancing the needs and how things are moving forward, be able to provide visibility to the leadership and also the rest of the teams, and also get attention and help. Then finally, the closeout is once the project is done, you're going to be getting acceptance of the product, right? The deliverables and the outcomes. And why am I talking about a project management at this point? Well, a lot of the enterprises or organizations, so they're going to be not fully agile all the time. There's going to be some elements or some parts of the organization where they'll be practicing a standard project management approach. So that's when it's going to be hybrid approach coupled with agile, coupled with project management. So the people who are very, very skilled and knowledgeable about project management approach, coupled with the scrum master and the agile side of things, then they turn out to be great asset to any organization to kind of to deliver work. If this information and video is helpful for you, feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be talking about more about these topics as we go. Thank you very much.